sa sumpang sa'yo, magpakailan pa man, yakapin mo bawat sandali. Ang buhay kong sumpang sa'yo lamang alay, at mapapawi ang takot, sakit, pangakong walang hanggan. Ikaw lamang ang pangakong susundin sa takbo, saktan, liwanagan ang daan. Yakapin mo bawat sandali. Ang buhay kong sumpang sa'yo lamang alay, at mapapawi ang takot, sakit, ay lakas mong angkin.
Promise to love you and to lead you, to encourage and care for you. I'll continue to be the road as Christ leads me. I promise to continue loving you without reservations, as no other man can love for you. With God's amazing love and power, I will be true and faithful the rest of my life. I love you.
You are one of the best gifts I've ever received from our Lord Jesus Christ. You are the answer to my prayers. Thank you for standing by me and with me. Thank you for not giving up and continually loving me. For accepting my imperfections. Mahal, I promise to love, support, and respect you. And I can't wait to start a new